So we are on vacation at Grandma Mimi's house, which is my mom's. And Harris is still currently sleeping, but me and his dad had to get out of the bed. So we're just going to lay him here on the couch as we prepare for the day. Here my mom is cleaning the table before we get breakfast out. And she's going to kill me for having her on YouTube with this robe on. But hey, this is real life. This is how we look early in the morning.
You waiting on your food?
So first thing in the morning, Harris has a cup of milk. I either do whole milk or oat nut milk. I typically like to do the whole milk because it's early in the day and he can kind of like digest it. And I can tell it's kind of heavy on his stomach. So that's what he's going to have today.
Here's your milk. Say thank you.
Because we're on vacation, you see Harris is about to get the red carpet treatment. So my mom is cutting him up some bananas. And I typically don't do that. I typically just leave it at a cup of milk, but he's going to have some bananas too to snack on while I prepare his breakfast. So first I'm just going to use some old-fashioned oats, and I like to grind them up in a blender to kind of make like a flour. And I literally just add hot water and any type of fruit. Harris' favorite fruit is banana in his oatmeal. Sit down, Harris. Turn around. This is the way that I've been making Harris's oatmeal since he was able to eat. I forget what month he started eating. But literally, I want to break him from me having to puree it, but he likes the oatmeal made this way. It's easy for him to digest still, so I'm just going to keep doing this. I tried a banana, but the banana wasn't ripe. So as you're going to see, I'm going to just kind of add some applesauce for some flavoring. This video is a collaboration with my family, QueenJWarren. On her YouTube channel, you can find a variety of different type of videos from motherhood, family, cleaning, cooking, vlogs. I mean, her page is just full of just so much fun content and just family related. So check her out. Her channel will be linked below. I'm super excited to be doing this with her, so please show her lots of love. Now that Harris is done with his breakfast, we're going to let him just kind of relax and just do whatever he wants to do, play around. And then we're going to go straight into his nap time. Now I'm about to try to put Harris to sleep. But honestly, before we got on the road, I spent 2 days sleep training Harris. And it's getting interrupted by this trip. So my mom is completely against sleep training. So she won't allow me to do it at her house. So this is my way of like trying to implement it without, you know, him screaming and stuff. But yeah, Harris just was not having it. Lay down. Lay down, Harris. Lay your head down.
2 hours later. The next day.
Harris is about to have his lunch. Made a grilled cheese. Gonna have some mixed fruit, maybe applesauce, but I may say that for his snack before we go to Chicago. So let me hurry up and do this because as you hear, he's ready.
Jada, that is not how you make no grilled cheese.
So y'all, my mom was clowning me the entire time making this grilled cheese sandwich. She said this is not how you make a proper grilled cheese sandwich. But it turned out great to me. Harris likes it. My husband likes them. So comment down below and tell me, how do you make your grilled cheese sandwich? Let me know if I just did completely wrong and if you agree with my mom. Now that we are all done, Harris is going to have grilled cheese sandwich and some mixed fruit along with the applesauce. I like to slice the grilled cheese into like thin slices and chop them up fairly small. One, because Harris is still learning how to chew properly, and he will stuff his mouth to the point he starts gagging. So I still have to cut things up in cube shapes. So this is what I do. Eat your food.
Eat.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah, good job. All right. Mommy gonna set it down. There you go. Wait. Turn it this way. Okay. All right. So while he's doing that, I'm going to go in our bag. He got so disorganized. I'm going to go in our bag and see what he's wearing today. This one or that one? I think this one because I don't have to. No, this one because I don't think I have to iron that much. All done. Now we are about to get Harris all cleaned up and dressed because we're going to head downtown Chicago. This will be Harris' first time downtown Chicago, so we're really super excited. So I'm just going to insert a few clips of things that we did. You can see Harris having his snack while we're out. For a snack, we want to keep it really simple with some veggie straws. And this is really good for Harris because he really needs to build those like jaw muscles and really move around his tongue a lot more. So the veggie straws really push him to kind of like have that motion going on in his mouth. He's going to have this applesauce. And I think he's going to have blueberries as well, or a banana while we're out. So that's just what I'm going to pack. Had so much fun, but the night was so long, so I honestly didn't even get to record prepping the spaghetti. But Harris had spaghetti and cornbread for dinner, along with a cupcake that we shared together. Apparently not. You don't like it? What, sleepyhead? What? What? So here you have it. Very basic palette. This is what my toddler eats in a day. Below in the description box, I will have a different variety of other options that he may eat, but this is what he ate on vacation. I hope that you guys enjoyed.